Hello students, time for another BrainPOP. This BrainPOP is very similar to the other one. It is about heat. It's a little different than the heat transfer, but you're going to have a couple of choices for what you submit for this one. For this BrainPOP, you have a choice of either submitting the graphic organizer or the make a map. You've had practice doing both of them, and so you can pick which one you think you do a better job on. Okay, so why don't you meet me at the BrainPOP website and I will show you what you're supposed to do. So now that we're at the BrainPOP website, in the search up here, we just have to type in heat. And there's two options. The heat transfer is the one that we've already done. And so we're just going to click on heat. And the format is very similar to some of the other BrainPOPs that we've done. There's a short video that you should watch first. You can also take the quiz for this BrainPOP. And again, your choice. You can do the review one or you can do the graded. The review one gives you a little bit more feedback. I would also like for you to complete this worksheet. This worksheet, you're asked to find what happens to the movement of the molecules when you have these different temperatures. There's also some related reading that's very good for this one. Some of these you have seen before, they've kind of overlapped a little bit, but we've got some information about some statistics. These people you should have seen before because we've talked about them in the past. A little bit about some heat around the world. Section on eating and drinking. And again, there is a comic. Perhaps you like the comics, perhaps not. We'll make that one optional. So there's two things that I would like you to do for this, and you pick which one that you want to submit to me, right? Whichever one you think is your best work, that's the one that you can do. We've done graphic organizers before, and this one is really no different. So once this comes up, you'll see that heat is in the middle, and then you've got these other sections around the outside that you can fill in. So this is one of the options that you can do to turn into me. And the other one is the make a map over here. So if we click on the make a map, once it comes up, round and around it goes. I would like you to make a concept map. And so the way that we do this is you can use the keywords, at least to start. And these are the words that you can add and you can just drag them in. And you can also have arrows that link these together. It should not be a train, right? It shouldn't be random, but the way that these words are linked together should show how they are related. There's images that you can do. You can change the shapes. And you've also got a few more options. So you can get a little bit creative with how you do these make a maps. So that is the BrainPOP for heat, right? So we're doing the one on heat this time, not the one on heat transfer. And let me know if you have any questions.